I'm gonna do it my style, sorry. Long life.
Cheers!
Friendship.
Cheers!
More wealth.
Cheers!
Every day a holiday.
Cheers!
And we thank God for life.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. And we start the video like this, like that, foot on the ground. So this video is coming now right after I did a video with Dimwango. I traveled and my head was so much aching, and even today I woke up with a serious headache, and so I have to help my brothers who are trying to help to fix the road here. Until you see me, like, guys, we're trying to fix this road. You see, like, there's so much excessive moram that is on the trench side, so we are trying to make some trench here because water is life, but at the same time water is hazardous. So here at the moment water is the enemy here, because the more the water is gonna come on the road, so it's gonna carry all the moram. And we want this road to be high and the water to have a passage. So that is what we're trying to do. We are two groups. There's this group and there's another group on top there. The ones who are up there, they're getting paid, right?
Yeah.
Who those who are here are giving a hand.
Yeah.
And we have the big man himself.
Yeah. The big man is here. This is cut D12.
Guys, you see his face.
Cut D12. So you see me here. Work is going on.
Work is going on.
We are creating a passage here.
Yeah.
Yes.
For the water.
This is a passage to success.
Yeah, sure.
This passage, you see down there, there is a portal of success.
Yeah.
So we are creating the passage to the portal
Of success.
So if you come, you wanna tap into that portal, peace be with you. Check me road to 10,000 and go to the widow's son.
Alright.
Yes.
But you're doing an amazing job.
Thank you.
Yes. I saw you got a big blessing.
Yeah. That's why I told you. This one,
Yeah.
a portal of success.
You understand, you understand.
Yeah, anything you do here will not go in vain.
Sure.
Yeah. So long as you keep your lane,
Yeah.
put God first.
And you respect.
Yes.
Yeah.
You love each and everybody. The rest live in the hands of God.
Yeah.
And you will see the portal opening a way for you that
Miraculous.
Butu is your time. MAWIRA, today is yours. Masuko. Gake.
Gake is also leaping the fruits of the portal.
Yeah. Gake has tapped into it.
Tap into it.
Guys, I'm the next person.
Yes.
Just believe.
Even Nikobuda there. And another brother who is there, I don't know his name.
That one is Chris Madiba.
Chris
The
Madiba.
US drone.
The US drone.
Yeah, also he has already
Tapped in.
Tapped in. He is also one of the beneficiaries.
Man,
So
it's your time. When it is your time, it's your
MAWIRA.
time. Amen. My time is coming too, guys.
But
Just,
God's time is the best.
God's time is the best, my friend. Don't rush and don't feel jealous of others.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Sure, 100%.
Just clap for others as they win.
Yo. What's on?
Tunajipanga panga pole pole tu. nimeishiwa power.
Unaona hiyo dongo ya brown? Hiyo tupa hiyo. Amo. Nganya tu hiyo ya hapo juu.
Nizibe. Fiti.
Go to the window.
Niaje boss? Mambo vipi? Niko kwema na wewe. Unaunda
Nilikuwa kandara.
Mama ameshinda salama. Buda.
Ati ulio yatenda kwangu ni mengi. Guys, we are still here trying to fix the road. So boys here are resting. This is what we've been able to do so far from down there. We're still waiting for a tipper, one more tipper or two more tipper to come, so that at least now we can spread all this moram. And after that, I guess we're gonna be good. The Land Cruiser has already passed here, so I think we need to come and fix here now. Hey comrade, we are supposed to fix here, right? So right now we're gonna be waiting for the tipper. Let me go and check if I can get some drinking water from the river's home. Yeah, I had to take my t-shirt off because I was sweating heavily, and I only have that t-shirt to survive with today. Remember, there are some guests here, so you have to be still smart. So I wanna go and get some drinking water from the river's home without his permission though. I don't know. Let me go and drink because I see like he has tapped some water from the roof. So let me try to see if I can get some drinking water. This is the river's home. See, he has a kitchen over here, outdoor kitchen or a smoky kitchen. Let me see. All my enemies are suffering. All my enemies are suffering. All the plants scatter. Oh, we have water. This water is it's rainwater. Even though it's not boiled, I guess it's more safer. Let me try to drink it. And it's very cold, man. Drinking it like an African boy. At least I've quenched my thirst now. I can go to work comfortably. Man, in the industry, in the construction industry, at the moment, this is the most expensive. My friend Ian, finding Ian, used to cry a lot about these metals. He used to tell me, Mawira, when you start constructing, be to be having some headaches. These metals, they're gonna be tough on you. One is going for $40. One of these. You can imagine one going for $40, and maybe require like about 100 of them, my friend. But anyway, when I was doing a video with MAWIRA, she told me like when you're doing construction, you don't have to have plenty of money. Just buy material bit by bit, as they're gonna be piling up. Like you see, the river is buying bit by bit. He has hardcore over there, like 3 tippers of hardcore. 3 other tippers of hardcore, 1 tipper over there, then another tipper of concrete, then sand. Like it's bit by bit, bit by bit. Within no time, we're already there. So when we get our land next year, that's what we shall be doing. We shall be buying bit by bit, just small bit, small bit, small bit, until we find it and we still make it, guys. So let's wait for the tipper to come, then we continue the fixing of the road.
Mr. Obadia.
Guys, when you are growing up, if you could see such a truck, you just
unaangalia mahali imesinki, imeenda chini,
tunatandaza,
mnatandaza ili gari kama inarudi tena inakanyaga.
So guys, we just be given a hint here. We want the road to be clear. Whenever the truck has come through,
hii unaona pande hii, pande hii unawachana hapa katikati ndio unarusha, unavuruta hii.
So guys, you're supposed to turn this moram here inside.
Ya pande hii wachana nayo kabisa. Hapa pande hii, kama barabara imesha kuwa sawa, ndio mnatafuta mahali. Unaona mfano? Maji. Ndio kubwa na hata pembeni.
Oh guys, it's pouring. Then I walk down there. Small portion. So this is what's gonna be happening.
Slowly by slow, slowly by slow. Ona hapa hivi. Chapa hivi. Ona barabara si mbaya sana. Ona hapo bado. Kidogo ndo nakuta yale mengi ya
hiyo ni katapila.
hii hata maro na ikabali. Hii mara mko sawa.
Iko sawa, hiyo ndio jana alikuwa anataka. Unaona hivyo? Mamalu na mwingine aje huko. Sogeza. Ngoja unafanyaje? Yes guys, so guys, as you can see what is going on. Main issue is what people here. Yes guys, so guys, today is a bit today. As you can see what from yesterday. Already guys, I'm concerned right?
Nasema kando na kando.
Amesema katikati. Tunabaki kidogo.
Muno bana tufunga wapi? Achukue leo.
Iko na gold hapa ndani.
Unaona penye inakanyaga? Penye matairi zinakanyaga?
Nini?
Nasema penye matairi zinakanyaga ndio inafaa ikuwe mingi. Yeah? Okay. So guys, the work is progressing over here good and nicely. So the instructions guys, you see the presses whereby the road, all the car is stepping by, the car wheel is stepping by. It needs to be more and more concreted guys, so that when the car is passing by, no any problem, it's getting up guys. Wow, so things are getting better and better. So let me say, I think they shall go for, let me say 2 more or 1 more, so that you can know that the work is progressing great. But the plan is this today, the plan is let us finish till the other end. Wow, my brother, I think you should have the feet, the shoes.
My feet are facing it.
Your feet are fitting. Okay, let me come over this other end guys. So that's how it is guys, so work is progressing good.
So guys, let us test the road and see if it is good. The problem is my feet are hurting. I can't even be able to run. Guys, it's gone. It's gone. But you can see you're doing an amazing job. Muze, you're recording?
No.
Oh, I see you only have mic on.
Eh?
I only see your microphone.
Yeah, well, I came from Tanzania, man. I was recording there.
Muze is here.
Yeah, Moses here, man.
Muze is tired. He looks so tired.
Man, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's
yes. What's
American
up?
uncle.
Everything good?
Everything good, yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, what's up?
Yes,
What's up?
yes, yeah,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big
How
up,
are
big
you?
up. I'm good. I'm good.
Kofiti.
I'm good.
Guys, this is the Muzungu that we have in this village.
Chris Muniko.
The only
You're good,
Muzungu in the
man.
village.
Yeah,
The way I see you walk, you're
what
good.
a good people.
Alright.
It's
So,
just
when you're not recording, make sure you switch it off.
Get three, boss.
it's just not off. Switch
Yeah.
it if you're not off.
This next side.
Okay, I don't know
Yeah?
how to
This
use.
side. This is the power button.
Oh.
Which
This is the power button. Yeah, see the power
this is
button?
on.
It off. On now. This is the power button. Off now.
Off.
Okay.
Alright, so I was telling him to be remembering when you're not recording.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
off.
he did turn it off. I tell him to turn it off. Let me
I was trying to check these things, you know, like right now I'm trying to do some interviews. I was trying to check these things, they are crazy, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
They are extremely crazy prices.
Yeah.
We have
Expensive.
expensive.
Yeah,
I was
man,
checking
expensive.
it's about $200 to $250.
Yeah, they're expensive.
They're expensive.
$250.
Yeah.
Really
Here
expensive.
in
That's
Kenya.
20,000 and something.
Yeah? No, 30. Here in Kenya.
30,000.
Yeah, that.
Very expensive.
That's
Yeah,
30,000
yeah, they're
Kenya shilling.
expensive, man.
Yeah. Guys, we have Jamaican uncle here. Uncle, we have been fixing the road since morning.
Yes, yes.
We're trying to see like
Can I bring
if
this thing come for you so I can get it for you before me?
alright, guys.
But they didn't bring my passport thing, they when I asked me for my passport.
Uncle has brought me PP.
Yeah, man. Big PP.
Big PP. Yeah, guys, this one is gonna help me. But I'm gonna be recording videos with
Yeah,
the
it's full
camera.
fully charged.
Full charge. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah.
At least now, this camera is not mine, so it has only one battery. So Uncle has given me a next one. So as long as in the meantime, I'm gonna be using this one before I get my
yes.
camera back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Uncle.
man. So, Chris.
Yeah.
So guys, we've been able to fix from there where the motorbike is up to that end where you can see Moses 2M is. So I want to go to see what the other group has been doing, because we've been doing this work as 2 groups. So like a place like this one is supposed to be filled up. That's what we were told. So that where the truck comes, it's gonna be compressed there. So in case today it doesn't rain, it's gonna be a very good road. So we've been doing this work as two groups. There's one group that is getting paid, and you have another that is not getting paid. So, and actually, I'm gonna be asking those who are not getting paid, why did they decide to come and help MAWIRA? So, but first of all, before we do that, let's first of all go and see what the other group has been doing up there. Wow, this place looks so nice. Very, very nice.
Yes, how are you, my brother?
I'm gonna be coming to you in a minute, my friend.
Okay, no problem.
So at the moment you can see the way the road now is getting flattened so well, such that even with me in my bare feet, I can still walk comfortably. So when the tipper comes back, the next round when he's coming back, at least it's gonna compress here. Because at the moment, the only thing that we don't have is a compressor. If we got the compressor, we're gonna have done a very good job. So this is another spot that we are supposed to fix so that the tipper can come and compress. This road has to be either in Dickney or Dickney. The road has to be flat. As the Minister of Road and Finance, I want to go and inspect what you'll be doing up there. Yes. Yeah. Ishatengeneza? So, this is like they had made. But now the tipper came, so they have to start again. And today there's feasting in the church. I don't know if I should go and have a taste of whatever they are eating there. These are about feasting. That is the kitchen. Now, when we were growing up in church, in case there was a feasting in the church, those people who knew like their mothers were in the kitchen, they were the luckiest. Or maybe you were a child of someone and then maybe the person that you know is in the kitchen. You are the luckiest. Because one thing that you were for sure you are sure of is like you're gonna get some food. Now for that church today, today I don't think there's a big service. Today they're just eating. And I remember sometime Riungu and MAWIRA, they went on live and they were sharing their moment, their childhood moment, and they used to say like Saturdays used to be the best days of the week, especially because they knew they're gonna get some chance to eat some rice and beans in the church. So I'm sure even these kids, as much as life has changed, traditions have changed. Like you see, there's a meal we call chapati here. when you are growing up, getting a chance to eat a chapati was a very, very big miracle, because wheat flour was very expensive. Chapati used to be considered as the meal for the rich. Now make it worse, get even a chicken. Not even a chicken. Make it worse, go get a kilo of 1 kg of meat with chapati. Haha, my friend. Hey, so we used even to fight for the covers. Like let's assume like today you've cooked chapati. That cover, that packaging bag for that wheat flour, we used to cover it. Maybe let's assume mathematics exercise book. So we used to cover them with those covers, and then you make sure your book is on top. Even if that day you don't have, like even if the other days you don't have confidence in mathematics, because somehow those of us who are weak in mathematics, we didn't want our books to be marked as the first ones, because we knew somehow we're gonna get zeros or even a few maths here. So, but the moment that you put a cover of that wheat flour on that book, it used to give you some confidence, like, yo, today the teacher is gonna respect me. Even if I get zero, everybody's gonna know, like, we eat chapati. That's how serious chapati as a meal has been in the Kenyan economy. So, but nowadays it has changed. Everybody can afford chapati. They are being sold all over by the roadside. You know, wheat flour is affordable. The only thing that is going up is meat is going up. So life has changed. You see the road now is nice. It's very nice, very nice. Any car can pass here now. Any car can pass here. Even a school bus can pass here. It has been a journey, you know, it has been a journey, and finally, and I know one thing that has been going through Ayamara's head is this road has given him a lot of hectic, you know, but you can see finally, with God and plenty of manpower, you can see, like, you've seen the results. Now from Mama's home, from Mama's spot, is Ayamara's home, mother's home. So you can see from this spot, you know, from this spot, the road is good. Yeah, so right now, this is fine Moram. You can see the road here is so finely done, so nice, so good. So any car can pass here. So how do you think, guys? Do you think we've done an amazing job? Let me know in the comment section, as I'm gonna be going to talk to my brothers. I want to ask them some few questions. I want to know why they opted to help Ayamara. For me, I wouldn't say like I'm helping him. I would say I'm doing part of what my brother would have asked me to do, because I can confidently say, like, Maro is a brother that I needed for me. Like, he welcomed me ever since, and I will always sing about it, because if you understand where you came from, you should understand the gesture, and you should never forget the gesture. So this great man welcomed me without knowing me, and I know I'm not where I want to be, but at least I can say I am somewhere. I'm not where I used to be back then when I was coming to see him. Even you can see from my face, my body wise, my body physique and everything, my confidence, my speech, you know, my interaction with the people. I've managed to meet people that have become so personal friends to me only because I met Marwa, you know. So what can you do to such a person who once changed your life? You know, I may not be able to show like, oh guys, this is a big tract of land that I bought after meeting Marwa, but at least I can say, I can stand in the middle of the congregation or even a crowd and say confidently, say like, he gave me a purpose and a turning point. And you may have it all, but without a purpose, you're not somebody. But for me, I know like I'm somebody because he gave me purpose, at least, and I know where I'm going and what I'm doing right now. So that is the reason why I will show up anytime, even though I was not like, for me, just abrupt, and they were like, yo, people are doing this, let me join in, you know. So let's go and hear a few comments from the brothers that came to give a hand here in this work. The cows are going to feed and they are already full. Can I join you cows to come and eat with you? How does an animal feel like its work is just eating? An animal like cow, its work is just feeding and giving milk.
Hizo sahi zimeshiba, wache zipumzike.
So here I am with Mr. Ngutu, and I wanted to ask you a question, Mr. Ngutu.
Yes.
So thank you so much for coming to do whatever we are doing here today. So what inspired you to come and help fix this road to Ayamaro?
This road to Ayamaro, it was a community volunteer, because it's part of the community, and also we are part of this community. So it's also, I saw it in a positive way. This is a community development. When there is an access road, any good access road to any place, it's open doors for many things, for many potentials. So although that's why I came to join hands, to be part of it, to be part of the growth.
Why do you think this road is so much important to the community? Because it's not making only for, like, it's not only going to his house, but you can see there's a home here, there's a home there, there's another home there, and the other home up there. What do you think this road is so important to the community?
Yeah, this road there, it's so important for the community, because it's not only Marwa who stays there. Where we do see the end of it, it's at Marwa space. Going out there to the main road, all those are homestays.
Yeah.
So those homestays, they have to use them. So when it's built to go there, it's also is their ways of transportation and so many activities.
All right. Thank you for your time. Maybe your name and how they can find you on the internet.
Check me, for the ones who don't know me, go to the widow's son. We are all to the road to success.
Ninyo? Niya uko?
We are uko.
Alright guys, so we have another brother here. He's gonna be introducing himself.
Yeah, what's up guys? My name is Chris Madiba, for the people who don't know me. We are here at Ayamaro village, Villa Medellin. Yeah.
So how has the experience been so far working on this road from morning?
Yeah,
from yesterday?
From yesterday, my experience is to see that, you know, Ayamaro done some lot of things here. And for example, for me, I have like my own land. This time now, since previous day,
I want to somewhere where the light is good. I guess
since
now.
Previous day, I was so busy. By the time I watched Ayamaro video, I said that no, it's time to go to help him. Yeah. So for the people like who they saw us here, they can see like we are joking or we don't have anything to do. No. Yeah, here is to show love, and this community is not Ayamaro. It's not Ayamaro only who gonna pass here. Even me, even Marwa's neighbor, all community here, they're gonna use this road. And you remember, when you are on the road of the, when we are talking about progress, you don't forget to comment about road. Road is everything. Yeah.
So have you learned any new skills as you've been preparing this road? Have you learned any new skills?
Yes, I learned a lot of things because here, here something I learn. If I am Marwa, give the job to the people of this village. For us YouTube, we are helping only. But also we got a video. Yeah, and also something I learn here. If I am Marwa, spend like more than 1 million or more than 1,000. Even for the people who brings this moram, they get some salary, they get money, and they pay school fees for their children, something like that. Yes.
Wow. So another thing that I would like to ask you, what are challenges that you faced as you've been working here, maybe from yesterday?
Me, I didn't got any challenges here because I can say that we come here, no one was first me, or no one was first in go to the window, even you, to come to help here. Is you who chose, is you who decided to say that now it's enough. Let me, I come to support I am Marwa. Yeah, so which means I can say that I have any challenges here. I feel so happy. If I am Marwa, I could stay here until the day, because when I am working, I am helping, I am Marwa, I feel like I am getting more and more blessings. Wow. Yes.
And guys, finally, the thing that has been making us to be so busy has arrived. It's like a convoy. Barabara iko sawa sasa. Asante. This is uncle. And see, this is a convoy. The German machine is here.
German machine.
Yes.
Wow.
Hey, I love the headlights. They're just blinking.
Wow.
The German machine.
Wow. New baby.
Hey. German machine.
Yeah, guys. Even over there, there's another one.
Hey. Wow. German machine is here. It's a full escort.
Yeah, that is it.
German machine.
German machine is here. Congratulations, boss.
How are you?
My boss.
How are you?
Congratulations.
It's this one or it's the other one? Now which is which?
That one.
Allah, it's there. I missed it though. But we have this one is coming. Barabara iko sawa sasa. Emweka mani. So we're opening the road. It's like official opening of the road.
Nice
6 inch.
We have a lot of guests coming in. As you can see. Welcome home, guys. We've been waiting for them for the longest time ever, but finally.
Hey, Subaru boys are here, bwana. Should we say one time?
Oh, this side, my guy.
Hapo sasa ni vitu unajua hata msafara wa mama hata kege wamo. Hapa tunaenda.
Wewe tuseme one time tubebe. Tuseme one time tubebe.
Hapa ni kushangilia tunaenda. Hata hii ni mnyama.
Guys, finally it's here. Convoy. The German machine. These guys, we are lucky to be here to experience this moment, and we are here to tap these blessings, you know. Convoy being expected with even as we are convoy.
Yeah, so guys, now we are at Mawa.
This is also a convoy, muhimu. Hata unasindikiza.
Mnyama BMW.
Yako ni BMW. Convoy. AMG. Some barbecued meat here, they are just slapping, my friend. When they say like slapping, it means like it's very, very nice, delicious. Prepared by Hosea.
Yeah.
Himself.
Hosea is here busy making
Yeah.
nyama choma.
Where did you learn this? Where did you learn this? How come you know everything?
I don't know, God's gift. Those are God's gifts. So
It's a talent.
I'm telling you, this meat is so nice. Tender. Very delicious.
soft meat.
Count me most of visitors.
Yeah.
You see, you do this, yeah? Sasa hiyo pakulisi ni kidogo. Unajua inatakiwa.
Hey, hakuna nyama isiyo ipikwa kwa ibo matamu kama hii. Hiyo achana hiyo. Hiyo ni ndogo. Hiyo tunaweka nyama choma.
Nyama choma simejaa hapa.
Hapo tofauti sana. Ndio hiyo hapa. Guys, moment people are having pictures. In your car.
Uncle Paul over there. New machine over here. New machine. Yes. Over here. Yeah, man.
So, as you have heard, this is the convoy. The Land Cruiser is testing the road.
Muingie. Haya.
Lakini toviage.
Pakuti imejaa alafu
Acha kwa space. Tutacheka.
Sasa yeye ametumia yeye anaona kama ni ya zamani. Sasa hajui sasa ndio kusema.
Unajua yeye ndiye ameumiza hii gari sana. Ilikuwa sawa, amekuwa kuuza.
Hapa ni penye barabara inakata. Maji ni mingi sana. First time I joined the ride here. This Land Cruiser is called Commando 1. So Commando 2 is coming very soon. Maybe they're gonna go up to Commando 10. It's gonna be a big company.
Nataka kuikaliaga mahali.
Hii gari ya cc ngapi? 400 cc. Hapa panakaa vizuri sasa. Full trip. Chris Monico.
Yup, guys. MAWIRA.
Yeah, man.
What can you say, bro, about this amazing day?
We are blessed.
Yeah, we thank God for everything.
Thank God for everything. Oh, seat belts. Seat belt has to be put on.
That's putting the belt, but normally I'm going to supermarket. Now I need the food.
Oh, naka kama lever. So guys, still here. And my brother, you can give yourself a shout out, bro.
So my name is Hastizi. All the way Hastizi.
Hastizi.
Yes, HASS_TZ. All the way from Tanzania. Yes, I need your support to subscribe my YouTube channel. So go and check and enjoy the videos, like, comment and share. So thank you.
What kind of videos do you do?
So my English is not good but
Unapata inagada video.
Aina za video zenye nafanya ni aina za video za kazi, kutembea, kutembea, kuonyesha mazingira. Yes, environment.
So guys, he mainly do nature videos, sometimes work here and there, and also traveling a little bit. So guys, please visit his channel at HasTV, HasTZ.
Yes.
Which is HASS_TZ.
Yes.
TZ is Tanzania.
Yes, Tanzania.
255.
Yeah, 255.
From where we are, guys, to Tanzania is about like 7 minutes, maybe 7 minutes when you're driving, depending on the speed. So today we are here enjoying the car, the Land Cruiser ride.
Nakwambia nikifika tu hivi. Umepata dosi ngapi? Ama watu wanamsekelea tu ni kicha. Wewe piga konte, siku yako inakuja. Ina maana ana kitu, anajua lipitia, na kitu anakusaidia kukupatia idea. Sasa lazima akupee pesa ndio sasa anakusaidia.
Sema mwenye anaambianga watu, dia akianza videos, watu kwa anamwambia wewe ufai kuwa YouTuber tu nini. Muangalieni sasa.
Nani huyo?
Diana, Dimwango akianza.
Dimwango.
Watu walikuwa wanambia wewe ufai kuwa YouTubers nini. Kwa sababu kwa believe YouTubers you must be flashy. Na hiyo flashy life haina hata pesa.
Na sasa ni YouTuber.
Sasa she's the biggest traveler in Africa.
Hata na challenge Marwa.
Sana.
Sasa tukiingia hapa sasa lazima kuwa na passport ndio ingia hapa.
Pande ile.
Passport ya Tanzania ndio shida.
Okay, sio hivyo, lakini hii gari ya tourism.
Hii ya tourism unabeba kama watalii.
Sasa hizi na wabeba kama watalii. Sasa Mama Suluhu aliona competition. Akasema tushukishe gari za Kenya zibaki Kenya, za Tanzania zibebe kwenda huko.
Sio kuingia hapo kama hata kama una mtu.
Sasa hiyo ndio sijui. Lakini tuliingia siku nyingine tukaomba tu ruhusa pale. Tuambie tunanunua mchele tu. Lakini wakikupata umebeba watu hivi wanasema sasa hiyo
ni biashara.
Hiyo ni biashara. Unajua hii gari Kenya unalipia 60,000.
Guys, we are nearing the gate. There's a gate for entry in Tanzania. Whereby you see that green truck, that's the border of Kenya and Tanzania.
kwa show. Ya Mungu, acha nibebe hii moment hata leo. Can have a room, babe.
Guys, we are here. We are in Tanzania having some. I'm gonna be sampling this one, and everybody knows
Guys, asking for him Serengeti. I'm gonna do it my style. Sorry. Long life.
Cheers.
Friendship.
Cheers.
More wealth.
Cheers.
Every day a holiday.
Cheers. Hey.
And we thank God for life.
Cheers. So guys, the video has to end here. Christine, eh? Yeah. Thank you. My video has to end here, guys. We've had a very amazing day. I'm back in Kenya. I'm back in Kenya. I want to go grab something to eat there. Then I go and do some job. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for always being there, supporting MAWIRA. I do love you. My moderators, thank you for blessing my channel. The new subscribers, thank you so much. And Team Dimwango, those who are coming, thank you so much for coming and subscribing to my channel. Don't take your love for granted. I promise to give you some good and awesome content. And to my amazing all day one subscribers, thank you so much. I love you so much. And to those who are dropping some positive comments, thank you so much. God bless you. In case you've been watching without subscribing, please subscribe. Leave me a positive comment. Alright, and tomorrow, thank you so much, bro, for everything, for the support, for the chance and everything. Man, God bless you and congratulations on your new beginnings. See you guys on the next video.